What's poppin', everybody? Michael Walter here, and we are setting a vinyl plank flooring. So follow along if you are looking for some DIY tips on how to get this done fast and avoid hiring a contractor to get it done. So we got a little stagger pattern going here. This is where the next plank would go, but we need to cut it to go up under this cabinet, which you can't see from your angle. So we actually want to spin it the opposite way. And this is just a quick little cheat here. And you slide it under the existing plank and use that as your straight edge. We're just going to score it with a knife a few times. Pop it out. Now you want to lock in the side first. And snap it in, and then another little trick, if it doesn't go in and lock in all the way, you just lock on a dummy plank. Make sure you line it up. Boom, it's in place. Now get our next one. Lock inside. Struggling with that one a little bit. Get our dummy plank on there. Good. And the next one. Then along this back wall here, we're going to run quarter round molding up against the existing baseboards to finish that off and give it a good clean look. Let's see here. Cut this one in real quick. You can't see it from your angle. But using the same exact strategy I showed you in the beginning. Next plank. Using the existing for a template again. As you can see, it goes down pretty quick once you get the swing of things here. Right together. So that's the basics to setting these up. I'm going to create a separate video showing how to shape around door frames and things like that, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We'll cover every single detail in the flooring industry. If there's any questions that you have, comment below. I'll make a video for you.